Hi, Mr. Boyce. Gregory here at Boucher. This is the Avalanche that Bill was referring to. It is a LTX vehicle. Features navigation as well as split bench seats. Just showing some. I apologize for the little frost that's on here. You do have alloy wheels. Just going back from the vehicle, got the running boards as well. Just taking a look around here. You do have the backup camera. Looks like you have park assist as well. This vehicle also has a DVD player. As you can see here, plastic is still on there, so I don't think they use the DVD that much. Showing the inside here. Back console here. Got some WeatherTech type mats in the back. The vehicle also features navigation. What's also really unique about this vehicle, has its own center console safe for storing valuables. Pretty unusual. Never seen anything like that. So if this might work for you, I'm here till 9 o'clock this evening. Friday I will be here till 9. I won't be here Saturday. But give me a call, 262-409-2600. My extension is 4356. And if this will work for you, we'll go from there. Thanks. Bye-bye.